Rotary Club of Mapsa will organize a trade fair cum food festival near Bodgeshwar Temple, Mapsa. There will be about 250 stalls where various goods including new models of cars and motorcycles will be displayed. Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza will inaugurate the trade fair on December 2nd in the presence of Mapsa Municipal Council Chairperson Sandeep Falari. Addressing press persons at Mapsa, event chairman Advocate Avdut Salatri said the income earned through this trade fair will be utilized for social work.
It gives me great pleasure to present to you the 5th Rotary Trade Fair cum Food Festival from 2nd December to 6th of December opposite the Bodgeshwar Temple, Mapsa. The inauguration will be held on the 2nd of December at the hands of our Deputy CM, Advocate Francis D'Souza, in the presence of MMC Chairperson Mr. Sandeep Falari and in the distinguished presence of PDG, past Rotary District Governor, Rotarian Dilip Salgaonkar. This year being the 5th Rotary Trade Fair, it is a mega event and a slightly different event. Of course, we will be giving high-class trades to all the people of Mapsa, and along with that, it will be power-packed with various competitions and entertainment programs on all the 5 days in the evenings. The last day, we have all the programs will be attended by distinguished dignitaries, and on the last day, we have the presence of Marathi film and TV actress Mrs. Savita Prabhune, at which she will be releasing the Rotary Trade Fair souvenir. Friends, this is a mega community project of the Rotary for all the people of the Baradesh Taluka, which is long awaited by all of them every year. And along with that, it is also a major fundraiser for the Rotary, which in turn funds our other various projects like free cataract operations, Jaipur Food Project, then distribution of wheelchairs, also toilet blocks, health camps, and many other Rotary projects. So for the last 4 years, this event has been chaired by our senior Rotarian advocate Avdut Salatri, and this year too, it is our pleasure that he is again chairing this event.
Now this event, as my president has already told you, is an ongoing project, and this is the 5th year we are continuously having this mega event. In this event, around 5,000 to 7,000 people attend every day from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And to attract these people, what we have been doing is organizing best entertainment programs every day in the evening. The major programs organized by Rotary Club start from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and before that, between 4 to 6 or 6:30 p.m., we have our Rotaract Club. It's a junior club which is called Rotaract Club. They also organize various programs, and all these programs which are being organized are mentioned in the report, copy of which I have circulated to you. But in short, I would just quickly tell you, on 2nd December, we have a Rotary and Samrat Idol singing competition organized jointly by Rotary Club of Mapsa and Samrat Club of Mapsa. The Samrat Club of Mapsa is also a socio-cultural organization. So this year we thought that we would also rope in them and have a joint program. Then on 3rd December, we have a dance ballet by Siddhakala. On 4th December, Western music by A26. 5th December, All Goa group dance competition by Rotaract Club of Mapsa again. And on 6th December, live musical concert by Lahiri. So all these programs are organized and they will be taking place from time to time. And for each day, we have a, so to say, inauguration of every program at 7 p.m. And for all these days, we have got guests to inaugurate it. On 2nd of December, as my president has already told you, Advocate Francis D'Souza, Deputy CM, will inaugurate, and he will be accompanied by our chairperson Sandeep Farari and past district governor, our Rotary district governor, PDG Rotarian Dilip Salgaonkar. On 3rd December, we have a program which will be inaugurated by Minister Rajendra Allekar, Minister for Forest and Environment, and guest of honor will be our senior most and senior counsel, Rotarian Advocate Bhai Usgaonkar.